Good morning, y'all. It's your girl. See, I know I look a mess. It's early in the morning. I think 5 o'clock. I'm about to get my kids up and get ready for school, for work. I just wanted to check in, have a little chit chat along the day. Take y'all through what I have to do today. So yeah, wake my daughter up, my oldest, so I can get myself together before heading out the door. So I'll be back. Good morning, y'all. I'm back. I'm halfway done. Have to put on my shoes so we can head out of the door. But yeah, did my eyes, my hair. About to put the shoes on so I can get these girls out of here. I don't know. I really like this wig I made, y'all. Tell me what you think. Yeah, so I'll check in once I finish this. Hey, y'all, I'm back. I have made it. Ooh, excuse me. I made it back home to come. Oh, it's pretty dark. Put some light on. To come and make a little protein drink before I head back to work. Okay, there we go. Yeah, the one's strong here, so I look a mess. But anyways, yeah, I'm about to make a protein drink and then head into the office and start my day, which is probably gonna be another long one. Then I wanna go and I guess make a stop at Walmart and get a few outside, maybe. I don't know if I'm gonna get some blow ups for Christmas or just some regular outdoor decoration. Maybe the lighted sleigh along with probably the reindeer. So I've been drinking this breakfast essentials. In the morning, it's the strawberry sensation to cut back on eating all that breakfast in the morning. And actually, I think it worked. I really think it helps because I'm not as hungry in the morning. And I actually can drink this and then stay full until lunchtime. So I usually drink this with skim milk, fat-free milk. So yeah, that's why I stop home to go and do that. 1 second. And what I normally do is just pull a glass of a cup of milk, a full cup. And that is that. So I'm in the process of trying to do more videos, wig tutorials, doing a full wig making video, customizing it. Leave me some comments down below on what kind of videos you all will want to see, and I can incorporate that. And then, I don't know if y'all watched my previous video, I did a Bath and Body Works haul on a few candles I picked up. Y'all, let me just say this. The sales that Bath and Body Works been having been so good to me. I went in the store on the 1st because they had the candle sale. I picked up a few candles then. I think the day before they had a $5 sale on hand lotions, body washes, and fragrance mist. I actually pick up on a lot of those. If I'm not mistaken, I might have bought 21 bottles, maybe. I don't know. But all I can say is I ordered so much from Bath and Body Works. I don't even know what I'm waiting to receive. I don't know how many packages. So I need to go back in my email. Oh, the light is bad. I need to go back into my email and see exactly how many packages I'm going to be waiting for. Because I don't know. And then this weekend, my cousin have 1 second. Okay. This weekend my cousin have a blessing of her marriage. So I'll probably give you all a little footage of that. We've been preparing, looking for things to wear, so on and so forth, for the wedding and everything else. And I don't think I ever showed you all. I did my Christmas tree, as you can see, a little. Not too much lighting because I'm about to head out the door. And it came out awesome. I purchased a new tree this year because I wanted something fuller. But yet, I think the height on this one is 7.5 foot. And I think it's pretty big. It's pretty big. So I'm heading out, you guys, on my way to the office. Prepare myself. So I just wanted to touch bases with you all and let you know what I had on the agenda for the day. I have to pick my daughters up early because my oldest girl have a dentist appointment, and then we're going to go in Walmart and run a few errands. Yeah. So that's what we're going to do today after the dentist appointment. So I promised my baby girl that we'll be picking up a few, I guess a few more decorations for outside for the Christmas holidays. So yeah, I'll see you guys once we make it at the dentist later. See you later. So we are at the dentist. Give me 1 second.
Color got white people.
Finishing up what we need to do. See.
I don't like white people in video.
So hopefully it doesn't take
long.
Yeah. Hopefully it don't take too long. So here we'll check in once she's finished. So hey, we finally out of the dentist. And we here at Walmart. Huh? The local shopping community center. So we're going to pick up a few things and then we'll be back.
Okay. This is small.
Hey y'all, checking back in. We actually stopped to get a snowball. Well, what is it? In Louisiana, right now it's currently 59 degrees, but it's not that cold, and we still rock snowballs. So my daughter's at the window. Let me load this. Getting some, I guess getting our order together. My baby girl don't like snowballs too much. You don't like them?
No.
Why?
Too nasty. I don't like the juice.
It's too nasty.
I don't like the juice.
Oh, she don't like the juice. So yeah, we stopped here before heading to Popeyes because the girls really don't eat the school food. So I'll get them that, and then we'll be on our way headed home. And look, I don't know if y'all can see in the back. We stopped. We went in Walmart. They actually had some pillows, and they are so soft. So we pick up those. So watch it. Hella, what you have on there?
That's condensed milk.
That ain't good. Why is brown?
I don't know.
Taste that.
I already tasted.
It tastes good.
It tastes like caramel.
So that's caramel they put on there. That ain't condensed milk.
Here.
You want the caramel? You want condensed milk?
It do taste like condensed milk and caramel. Here.
It's a holiday flavor. Let me taste. don't know. Something just look different. It don't look, when she give it to you, it didn't look different to you?
Smelling stuff.
What kind of snowball you got?
Coconut.
Oh. So I got my snowball.
I think they
She have coconut with condensed milk, but it's a little dark. I don't know. But anyways, we was just checking in. We about to head out. I'll see you guys later. Alright, hey y'all, I'm back. We finally made it home. I'm about to go start cooking for the afternoon. Then pull my hair back. Went to the dentist. Work. School. All of the good stuff. I did receive some packages though. So, I'm gonna open those. And then I'll share what came. But yeah, that's about it for today. About to unwind. Get dinner situated for the family in a few. But yeah, that's about it. See you guys possibly tomorrow. But until next time, thanks.